Hello, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this simple but cute hairstyle. Okay, to get started, I'm just brushing out my hair a bit so that I can put it into a bun. Okay, so once I have my hair up, I'm just combing out the end a bit so that I can braid it and wrap it around into a bun. For this bun, I will be using 1 pack of Canicolin hair that I bought in the hair store. Once you've taken the hair out of the pack, you can fluff out the ends before braiding. The black elastic band that came with the hair popped, so I had to use a different color elastic band that I had at home. Using the elastic band, I'm going to wrap it around my hair just to secure the Canicolin hair on to mine. Once I've done that, then I can start braiding the hair. To make sure that the braid doesn't pull out, use a black elastic band on the end. Now take the braid and wrap it around your hair. Use bobby pins to secure it on. There's no right or wrong way to do this, just fix the bun to your liking. Now that I've secured it down with bobby pins, I'm going to use my braiding cards and wrap around the bun. The braiding cards are already stretchy, so it's easy to wrap around my bun. To get started, I'm just tying one end around my hair and then just wrap the rest around the bun. Once I'm finished wrapping it around, I use the other end and just tuck it in under my hair. And do the same for the other 2 colors. Once I'm finished wrapping the cords around my bun, I'll just be using my Eco Style gel and my toothbrush to lay my edges. hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then go ahead and press the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.